Fritz, mahal ko, mula nang tayo ay magkakilala, ipinalangin ko na sa Diyos na sana ikaw na nga ang para sa akin. Ang dami-rami nating pinagdaanan sa loob ng 16 years ng pagsasama natin. Salamat at minahal mo ako at ang aking pamilya ng buong buo. Habang nasa sentro natin ng ating relasyon ng Panginoon, ay nalagpasan natin lahat ng pagsubok na dumating sa atin.
Pressed against your eyelid, bodies dressed against the cold, taunted by the ghost of autumn.
And Lord, thank you for this day. We praise you for making this happen. I know that you have planted the desire in my heart to honor and protect and love Tessa.
Further down the shoreline, heartbeats swaying with the tide. Squall
Miguel! Sorry! Okay, ito na talaga. Okay, ito na talaga. Kaya. Kaya? Okay.
your eyes staring into mine, feeling
My love, I promise to love you, not just for who you are today, but for who will you be tomorrow and every day. Tessa, mahal na mahal kita. Ngayon, at mas mamahalin pa kita habang buhay. Happy 16th anniversary and happy day 1 of our married life. I love you. Mahal, my love, Chamblitz, congratulations. Pinabati kita kasi ako ang mapapangasawa mo.
the days we sung, we were so carefree. Seems so long ago, a distant memory. Time to let you know I can be close to you. If you can't see what to do, time can pass and you will know the looking glass that is meant for you.
Salamat. Salamat sa lahat ng pagkakataong na kahit mahirap akong intindihin at laging naging bugnutin, hindi mo ako sinabayan sa lahat ng pagod ko. Instead, ikaw ang naging hingahan ko.
And I can be close to you. If you can't see what to do, time can pass and you will know the looking glass that is meant for you.
Nangako ako makipagtulungan sa iyo sa pagtayo ng simbahan at sa pagpapalaganap ng kaharian ng Diyos hanggang sa pagbalik ni Jesus sa kanyang kaganap na kaluwalhatian. Mahal na mahal kita.
That is meant for you.
And Fritz, because you have taken on the responsibilities of a husband, you may now kiss your bride.